penguin lovers! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of our feathered friends, the penguins. Did you know that penguins are one of the most unique birds on our planet? They're known for their distinctive black and white plumage, their waddling gait, and their incredible swimming abilities. Penguins are found in the Southern Hemisphere, primarily in Antarctica and the surrounding southern oceans. They're excellent swimmers, thanks to their streamlined bodies and powerful flippers. In fact, some penguin species can swim up to 75 kilometers per hour. When it comes to their diet, penguins are carnivorous, feeding on fish, squid, and krill. They're also known for their fascinating mating rituals and their ability to raise their young in some of the harshest environments on Earth. So, there you have it, folks, a brief introduction to the amazing world of penguins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating facts about our animal friends. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, penguins are cool!